Suzuki Ride Fest, when 1st February, entry absolutely free. Get ready for an action-packed day at the Suzuki Ride Fest. Join us for a thrilling experience featuring bike stunt, watch professional riders showcase their skills, gymkhana, test ride the Gixxer on a track course, Ïawan's test track, experience the Ïawan's capabilities, Ïawan's mileage contest, win cash prize up to 5,000. Exciting offers, up to 5,000 off on-spot bookings for scooters, up to 6,000 off on-spot bookings for bikes. Evaluate and exchange your old scooter for a brand new Suzuki two-wheeler. More attractions, free service checkup for existing customers, technical experts available for support, Suzuki Ride Connect tech support, display and test ride of Suzuki bikes, live music performance by Snow White and Wanbaha, cosplay competition hosted by Shillong Cosplay Community, Reels competition, winner will be awarded 10,000 cash prize, fun games and face painting, food court featuring various cuisines. Media partners, Party TV, T7 News, Shillong Mail, 93.5 Red FM.